Hey guys, good morning from beautiful Southern Nevada. Hey, today we're going to do a 2-year update on my Hi-Point 45 pistol. So, let's get started. Okay, so let's just back up a little bit. About 3 years ago, I bought a Hi-Point 45 ACP carbine, this one right here. And I did a review on it, and you know what? I was really impressed by the accuracy and the reliability of that carbine. So not long after that, I bought a Hi-Point 9mm pistol. And once that got broke in, it's been shooting great. Well, then I eventually bought this 45. This is the model JHP, and I did a review on it exactly 2 years ago tomorrow. So we're gonna just see how well it's holding up. But while I'm talking about it, let's take a quick look at it. Let's take a close-up look at it. Yes, you know, this pistol is big, and it actually, you know, when you put a loaded magazine in it, it weighs a little over 3 pounds. But you know what? It has a 4-inch barrel on it, plastic or maybe a polymer frame. The slide, I believe, is a zinc alloy. I do like the sights on this. Rear sight is adjustable. Very easy to see those sights. And just a basic, simple safety. This will not fire without the magazine in it. And it comes with one 9-round magazine. And you know, just really a very simple pistol, but you know what? They work, and they work very well. Now, I did pick up a couple of Pro Mag magazines. These hold 14 rounds. And yeah, it's got a little weight to it, but you know what? It's not going to have much recoil. But let's talk about this Pro Mag magazine for a moment. You know, I know some of you are thinking, well, you can't use a Pro Mag magazine on a Hi-Point because it will void a warranty. And the problem is, from what I've seen, it's with the 9mm Hi-Point firearms. The Pro Mag can actually damage the feed ramp. But I did not get such a warning with the pistol or the 45 carbine, so I don't think it applies to the 45. And on top of that, if I take my Hi-Point magazine and compare it with the Pro Mag, I mean, they are identical. And when I insert this in the pistol, it doesn't even come close to the feed ramp. So I will be using Pro Mag magazines today. Okay, you know, I think I've covered everything on this pistol, so it's time to set up some targets and do some shooting. But before I do, let me show you the ammo. I have some PMC Bronze 230 grain full metal jacket, otherwise known as ball ammo. And I do have some various reloads, including, let's pull this one out right here. I have some 200 grain lead semi-wad cutters. These are target loads, and we'll see how they're gonna feed in my my pistol. So let's get started. All right, let's start off with 9 rounds of PMC at about 8 yards. I guess that was 9 rounds. All right, 9 rounds of this semi-wad cutter. Yep. Be honest with you guys, this thing will shoot anything I put through it. Still plate, 20 yards. 3 out of 4. All right, let's put some rounds through this Pro Mag. Okay, let's talk about the trigger for a moment, because this has a really horrible trigger to it. It's just really spongy, and it's just a crappy trigger. When I'm going to shoot this, when I bring it back and I feel a little resistance, I have to come back another 1/4 inch or so before it will break and fire. So really, it's very tough to be accurate with this. Although my son, he can shoot this pretty dang well. High and to the left.
All right.
There you go. Nice shot.
Thank you.
Oh, hey, nice job.
Now you got to go pick it up.
Okay, and that was from a previous video. So I have a still plate set up at 25 yards. Let's just take a couple shots and see if I can hit it. And I will take my time, see what happens. Hit something down there. Let me try one more. Better quit while I'm ahead, huh? Hey, you know what? I'm here. Why not one more? Yeah, I'm empty now. Okay, guys, final thoughts on this Hi-Point 45. Now, you know, I have a very successful channel here on YouTube. I have right now about 82 million views on my videos, so I'm very proud of that. But my point is, even though I've got a good big channel, I'm not as big as a lot of these other gun channels. So I guess my point is, nobody sends me any guns to review. Almost every gun you see in my videos are guns that I bought with my own money, with help from my Patreon supporters. So thank you very much for that, guys. So what I'm saying is, when I do a review, I'm not biased. I'm not obligated to give a good review. I'm going to tell you the way it is, and you're going to get an honest opinion. Now, with that said, I really do like this Hi-Point 45. Extremely reliable and fairly accurate. Not bad at all. And you know what? If you just want something a little unique or a range toy, you might take a look at one of these. Now, 2 years ago, I paid $150 for this. Today, they're about $180, maybe $190. So if you're on a very limited budget or a tight income, you know what? This might be what you're looking for. If you are looking for a self-defense pistol, but you just don't have a lot of money, you might consider this. And I can honestly say that. And I really do like this pistol, guys. I don't know what else to say about it, except after 2 years, it's still shooting great, and I'm still enjoying it. So with that said, I think I'm going to hang it up. Got a lot of brass to pick up, and thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Hey, hold it right there, guys. I have one round left in my pocket, and I just heard that target say, "Hey, Mix-Up, shoot me." So guess what I'm going to do? All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I can't leave that target just sitting there not doing anything, right? One more shot. Now watch me miss. I nicked it. I nicked it. We'll see you guys. Take two. Ah, you son of a...